Great! If you're here for the very first time, thank you and welcome to our YouTube channel. And if you've come back because you want to see more, well, thank you for that too. Once you learn this technique, it should take you a half an hour to put these chains on and 15 minutes to take them off. You want to know how the chains are hung up on the chain rack because it just makes it that much easier to get them off when you need them. You can look this stuff up on the internet, or you could pause the video and read it slowly. On this video, I'm just going to focus on the picture on the top. When you have to put chains on, they normally say minimum or maximum. If you have to put maximum on, it shows the picture on the top. If you have to put minimum on, that means you don't have to throw on the double chains. Sometimes you can get away by just putting 2 singles on the trailer axle, and also you put it on the driver's axle and then the one behind that, and that's a total of 6 singles. The cams need to be on the outside. Drape the tire with the chain, have a little bit in the back touching the ground, but have the extra in the front. So when you drive the truck back over the chain, it will look like the picture shows. Do this to all 6 tires, so then all you have to do is hook them up. Hook up the inside and then work your way to the outside. Then you want to lock up all the cams. You should have about 3 to 4 of them. This should make the chains really tight up against the tires. If you want extra protection, you could put bungee cords like it shows on the picture. So if the chains do fall off, they'll fall off towards the outside and not fall towards the inside, because if this happens, it's a lot of trouble. Just make sure you lock everything up and then you're ready to roll. Taking off your chain should be a lot easier. You just got to make sure that all the linkage is up at the same place. Then you unhook and you slide the chains over to one side. Sometimes you'll have to move the truck another time from when you stopped the first time. Loosen up the cams and then go ahead and unhook it from the inside and then from the outside, and again just slip them over to the side, and then this way when you move the truck you can pull away from all the chains. And all you have to do is go over, pick up the chains, make sure you hang them up from the cams or down, and the other side you hang up on the bars. So I'll just show you what part you put on the bars, and the cams are on the bottom when you hang them up. And you go from back to front, keep hanging them up that way. You pick them up from here, and then you go ahead and put them on the bars, and the cams are the parts that hang on towards the ground. Make sure you secure everything up, and don't drive faster than 25, and just be safe, and God bless you. I hope this helps. we would really like it if you go ahead and subscribe here. Go ahead and give a thumbs up, and then we'd really like it because if you click on the bell, you would be notified when a brand new video gets posted to our channel. And we're just excited to be doing this. This is just a new adventure. And this is Jedis for Jesus signing off for this week. Thank you.